Not out of control, rather hindi niya na-control yung bola. Talking about tong si Pascual from Las Piñas.
Baga good intentions,
yes,
just poor execution lang konti, coach. As De Guzman hits that short jumper to go under and 18, yun po ang hindi natuloy.
Yun ang problema kasi pag ang kasama mo lights out shooter katulad ni Coach Anton. Literal lights out.
Meantime, ito ang Las Piñas through T-Coolers. So look at that, William Dalisay stepping in. Full head of steam, Andrew. Off the glass, sablay, niluwa pa yung bola.
Grabe yung speed nitong si Andrew, kaya lang yung finishing tayo nagkakaproblema.
Ayun, Nathan Singy showing them how it's reaching the halfway point of the first. De Guzman, the fake, the step back. Mendoza. Oh!
Oh, what a spectacular move there by the diminutive player, able to drive baseline. Nakala mo, natabunan na siya here. Parang reverse Pinoy step pa yun, diba?
Sagit their possession given by Pascual to his team. Kanila pa din ang bola, courtesy of Sanchez. Singy. And there it is. Off the glass, Nathan Singy.
Nathan Singy, so far the most prolific player for Las Piñas in this game.
As the layup is good from Jimenez.
Or easy in transition.
Santos on top of the key. Right wing three is in for Max Jimenez. Minute and 20. That jump stop works for Philip Adrias.
Good fundament or committing that turnover.
Orcasitas won't make from deep. And the foul and the basket for Kobe Henido.
Sa play,
Pound for pound fitness, foul counted play of the quarter. Kobe Henido.
laging lamang sa parisan.
Dun.
Oo. Speaking of experience, si John Andrew Mendoza has been getting a lot of rebounds. So, kitang-kita yung gulang na nitong batang to when it comes to positioning inside.
Oh, and John Mendoza playing the passing lane. And he lays it in. Sinigurado na ni John Mendoza.
Finally gets one to go after getting that interest there with the block shot. Sabi niya kay John Andrew, sobra ka na.
Una, yung layup. Las Piñas, dalawa pa lang ang puntos dito sa pangalawang yugto. Mendoza puts it up from deep. Oh. And he rattles it in.
And that's already
He extends the lead to double digits. Prieto, Pascual the fake, Pascual the basket.
good interior.
Play of the quarter. There you see it. The patience on Pascual. Kung gusto niyo pong ma-feature sa ating mga premiums, be sure na magpunta po dito sa ating venue. Today, dito tayo sa Las Piñas. Ito.
Kahit si Daphne na lang daw. And that was on that last play, that was yung pound for pound fitness goes sa mga point blank misses, no? So they gotta work on those.
Look at Mendoza, kaso na itapon din niya yung bola. Sanchez, all the way! Mendoza has it, being guarded by Sanchez. Mendoza. 10 to shoot, De Guzman, straight and through!
And itong tandem na to ni De Guzman and Simen.
Under 2 minutes remaining. Dalimoco on the bump, the fake of the glass.
Good skills demonstrated there.
And Dalimocon bumawi dun sa hindi niya na. As another layup, smoked. Time by Sanchez. Mendoza, perfect set up to Ian Galliano.
As you can see the speed ng Mindoro then, that was a four leading to that easy layup.
Sanchez. And the short jumper is in for Philip Adrias. Sanchez na naman, splits the D. Agaw pabalik nitong Mindoro as Sanchez using his left hand. Pagkaliwa pala, coach, pumapasok.
Oh, that was a good
naman. Bumitbit itong si Kalipay. Not in my house. Siyempre, Las Piñas din itong Divine Light. As Sanchez showing him how it's done. That's Philip Adrias, rather. Jumper won't go for Ian Galliano. Gascon off the glass, and that one is good.
Making sure there with the right.
Previously playing for the Cavite City Aces Solar, ngayon naman nasa Mindoro siya. And tama nga, coach, no? Hindi lang players yung natututo rito at nabibigyan ng exposure, kundi yung mga coaches. Mendoza.
Talaga ito si Mendoza wreaking havoc on the plans of Las Piñas.
Oh, look at that move. Ganong gather. Kanan na gagamitin mo dun eh. But that is our pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play of the Prieto. Now it's with Nathan Singi against Mendoza. Singi bumitin. Pinandapat. Lamang ang Las Piñas ng isa, 38-37.
Singi performing well for Las Piñas. Already with 7 points.
Also playing spectacularly for Las Piñas, Philip Adrias.
Top scoring for both teams, itong si Philip Adrias.
Pound for pound fitness, foul counted play on a roll here ang Las Piñas, coach, ha? Clearly the momentum is with Las Piñas as they get another steal. Nathan Singi.
Do their inner shooter pass.
They get another steal. Etong Mindoro. Enido. That one is in. Finally for Mindoro.
Able to get that ball to go in despite the best efforts there of, was it Sanchez who was trying to defend?
Gascon nadulas pero nandun yung kampi niya. It's Prieto. Mindoro na naghahabol. Pito. Mendoza, fake pass. Kahit tayo na peke dun, coach.
Taking on the entire Las Piñas.
Nothing there. Mendoza na naman in transition. 2 guys to beat. Mendoza gets blocked!
Let's make one thing ship there right after.
Chased that one to perfection. With a subtle flex after.
How appropriate. These two players are the best performer for both teams, no, this morning.
As De Guzman for Mindoro, and now Las Piñas na ang lamang ng tatlo, 47-44.
As we see here, Kobe Enido scoring on that right-handed layup. Sabi nga nila, basketball is a game of runs, no? And so Mindoro has made their run. As you see here, this foul counted, pound-for-pound fitness shot. Or point guard like this, no, able to control the situation. Now teammates just need to step up for him.
He puts up a 3 and he knocks down a 3 and he kisses to the fans.
Never mind that, point basket.
After that, yung flying kiss. He blows a kiss to the fans.
Papunta yata kay Daphne yung
meantime, bola naman na kay Mendoza.
Converts
plus the foul.
Almost tripping over there to si John Andrew Mendoza, but score.
Alam na niya. He knows the speed of the game here in Junior MPBL. As we take a look at the pound-for-pound fitness.
Playing good defense there, taking the ball away.
Mendoza taking matters into his own hands.
Great change of direction there, looking off the defender. Parang nadula si Kalipay doon.
De Guzman, sablay. Tapi ka ng bola. Up ahead. Philip Adrias cuts the lead to just 1.
Credit Gascon there for being able to tap that ball.
And they get another miss. Gascon will recover. Can't get it to go for Adrias. Mendoza. Veterano ang gulang.
Shedding off Singi.
Singi. Prieto on the move to the cutting adds.
Could have traveled there, but
Gotten away.
brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic. Make every meal a magic moment. As you see there, a conversion for Mendoza.
Singi has it. Prieto puts it up, overshoots. Offensive rebound. Basket and beyond. Philip Adrias once again.
Man of the moment for Las Piñas, getting that offensive rebound.
Pound for pound fitness, foul counted play of the quarter. Philip Adrias. Coach palagi ang 14 and under kaysa doon sa mga mas matatanda.
Nandun yung support pa ng mga parents mga babies pa nila to.
Is Nathan Singi. Hangs and finishes, ties the game at 60.
Making amends for that earlier.
Pressure-packed free throws for Mendoza and he knocks down the first. Diego Adrias, their leading scorer. Phillips sets up a squad, smokes the layup. But they get the ball back. Nathan Singi drives baseline. And Adrias finishes the play.
Good job there by Nathan Singi giving the ball.
Philip Adrias gets that one.
May buta.
May butal. Mendoza has it. Henido back to Mendoza. 10 to shoot. Mendoza spins, gives it back to Kobe Henido. Goes reverse. Lamang na ulit. Ang Mindoro. Nawala na sa kanila yung bola, coach. May scramble na
Able to recover, no? In time.
Squad. Give and go action na naman. Quick play. Can't convert. There's Adrias coming up with a miss, but they get the ball back. Philip gets fouled.
Yeah, found himself too deep underneath there.
Talk about so much pressure. And he misses the second. Cads the offensive rebound. Under 30 seconds remaining. Singi. Adrias. Gets it to go.
Huge possession there for Las Piñas.
See this again. Philip Adrias against a much smaller John Mendoza. Nothing you could do.
Looking for a three here.
Mendoza now to Jimenez. Quick trigger. Won't go.
That was a good shot actually. Jimenez was wide open. Medyo late pa nga yung pasa ni Las Piñas coaching staff asking for a half-court pickup.
All right. 9 seconds remaining. Mendoza, they need a three. De Guzman puts it up for the tie. Won't go. Went down to the very last possession.
That was a very difficult shot to make for Luke De Guzman, falling away with two defenders.